We get up at 8 and Alan went into the container.
Like we're taking course every day, then we are in the lab until 10 p.m.
We could all feel that after a few days of working on such long hours, we were all worn down. So samples are 2,000 little vials, and then the molecular samples are here, all frozen at -80.
It is 2:30 a.m. I don't know how to sleep in a roller coaster.
Oil and gas is definitely not the long-term future, but we will depend to a certain degree on oil and gas for the next 25 to 30 years. Some people might not like this, but that's an ugly fact. We basically develop a molecular biological tool for hydrocarbon prospecting, so looking for oil and gas reservoirs and making the prospecting for these commodities more environmentally friendly.